Hello, everyone. Welcome to Professor Joseph Nehru. Today, we are going to ask a few questions to Professor Joseph on how we should speak English in offices to our boss and to our colleagues. Are you interested to know this? Of course. I understand you are interested in knowing how we should speak English in our offices, where we work. Shall we begin? All right. Professor Joseph, let me ask you something. Tell us, how should office professionals speak English in today's workplace?
Hi, Julie. Thanks for asking that question. That's a very relevant question in today's context. Many young, newly appointed office-going people are truly thinking of this. So you have asked me a good, very timely question. Let me tell you, office English is not about perfection. It's about clarity and confidence. So young office-going people should not worry about good English, but they should speak whatever they want to speak to their boss and to their colleagues with confidence. Confidence is the key here and not perfection. Have I answered to your question?
Thank you. Yes, you have answered to my question. That's interesting. And I hope our viewers heard it rightly. In that case, Professor Joseph, do you mean grammar is not important? And don't we need to worry about grammar?
Grammar is useful. But what we need to know is that we must communicate our idea in such a way that our listener understands easily what we are trying to tell. Of course, grammar should be there. But we don't need to be conscious about grammar when we speak English. Communication is more important. For example, instead of saying, "I would like to request your assistance regarding this matter," you can simply say, "Can you help me with this? Do you understand me, Julie?"
That sounds much more natural. What about meetings? How should we be taking care of our English when we speak in official meetings?
In meetings, keep your sentences short. Say, for example, speaking short sentences like, "I think this will work," or "Let's try this approach," will be the best and neat way of speaking. Do not express your ideas using long sentences. Short and simple sentences are always effective. So use simple sentences in English when you speak in official meetings.
Thank you, Professor Joseph, for answering me. That's indeed a very practical advice. And to you, our dear learners and viewers, thank you for listening. I hope this content is useful to you. Did you enjoy listening to this conversation? Just a piece of advice from me to you. Remember, listening helps speaking. So, if you have listened to this conversation carefully and attentively, it would have definitely helped you to improve your speaking. By the way, our dear viewers, please subscribe to Professor Joseph Nehru. Speak clearly, speak confidently. We will see you in our next video. Bye. See you.